Have you seen the Olive Garden lately? The restaurant is making some big changes to try to bring back customers, but is it going to be enough? Here's John Matarese with that story.
Next time you step inside an Olive Garden restaurant, you may not recognize the place. Bloomberg Businessweek reports that over the next few months, Olive Garden will be renovating most of its restaurants, tossing out the 1990s Tuscan Italian decor in favor of a look much brighter and cleaner. Even the logo is changing, as seen in this new style sign. Why the dramatic change? Bloomberg says Darden, Olive Garden's owner, is trying to reverse falling sales and profits. So says the company is looking to Chipotle and Panera, two success stories for ideas. Bloomberg says today's diners want brighter, less cluttered restaurants with clean white plates. Bottom line, today's diners are fickle, and with more choices than ever, restaurants that look like 1983 are going to have to change to survive unless they're giving away food. As always, don't waste your money. I'm John Matarese, ABC Action News.